focus. There we go. Okay, so my third tutorial. I don't know when I'm going to stop the countdown to the tutorials and giving you guys what number tutorial this is, but I was just at home, nothing to do, and I thought we'll just film a soft smoky look. You can turn this into a nighttime look like I explained in the end, but I hope you guys like it. I'm going to show you how to do this. If you want to see how I got this, if you want to see how I got my face to look like this, okay, then just don't click anything, okay, but you can click subscribe and we'll carry on. Please. Today I thought I would try a new filming style. I've already done most of my face and one eye, and then I could just quickly show you how to do the other eye. I don't have any foundation on today. I just have concealer and I have loose powder because I'm trying to try something and see if you can actually get away with it. Have a lot of contour and a lot of blusher on, not gonna lie. And I don't know how the lighting works out today because it's quite a cloudy day, but I do have some extra lights, but I don't think they're that great anyway. So let me just show you how to do this eye. I'm going to use 3 palettes today. The first Carly Bible BH palette, and then my own Z palette that I made up, so that has no name, the Fee palette, and then the Jaclyn Hill palette that I used last time. And yes, I do have other shadows, but this one was just easiest because it's slotted in the side and I don't have to go through the drawers. Okay, and if you hear like noises and that, those are the kids probably fighting over trains. This Urban Decay one is really good. It's a mattifying one. So they have I think this one's called Eden. They have another one called Sin, which is for shimmer bases. This one is, I have no idea what it's called. It's this. I'm sure it's called Eden. Yeah, long lasting eyeshadow base. I'm gonna get a big brush like I used last time, and I'm gonna get this color. It's just a matte like cream sort of color. They don't have names in this palette, so it was her first one. And I'm just gonna put that on the top half of my eye. I'm gonna fold this loveliness back. Got an itch. Okay. Yeah, just the top half of the eye. And I've already done my eyebrows, so I kind of don't want to ruin that. I don't want to go too much into that. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to use this like big blending brush. It's not big actually. I don't even know how to describe it. It's the Morphe M505. I always say the names and I always hear people say names. I never buy them, so I don't think there's any point. Okay, I'm going to put that just under the, what's it, Medulla. Just like under the eyebrow sort of thing. And blend, blend, blend till your heart's content. Okay, oh, okay. So that colour was this third one in, and it's like between a mauve and then the same brush. And I'm going to do the next colour, which is like a pastel, like a pastel lilac, pastel mauve, I don't know. I'll put that just underneath it. And same like rainbow motion. I really want to do some in Arabic, but I'm so scared you guys will laugh at me. Will you guys laugh at my Arabic? Would you like that? And then the colour beside that, which is a true mauve. And they're all matte. All the colours I'm using are matte. I'm going to just tap that off. And I'm going to put that on the bottom. I'm going to get this colour. It's a Makeup Forever colour, but I use it as a I think it's a blusher as well, but I use it as an eyeshadow, and it's called SB01A, I think. I don't know. No, it's not. It's called something else. It begins with like P or F. But it's really a mauve. It's like a, okay, how can I say this? A matte aubergine colour, or eggplant, they call it here. I don't know why it's called eggplant. It doesn't even look like an egg. Okay, and this one I'm going to get this brush, so it's just that circular, flat blending one. Holy Lord, what was that? And I'm going to put that just on the mobile lid, just to darken this up a bit. And I am going to blend it out a bit, but not too much. Then I'm going to get this MAC brush. It's called 286 SE. Why do they come up with these names? Like, just call it this blending brush or that blending brush. And I'm gonna, okay, I've glued this one down. It probably wasn't magnetic. This is a very old Rimmel colour. Is it Rimmel or Revlon? I think it was Revlon. That I took off my mum, and it broke into 1,000 pieces, and I alcoholed it back down. So it's just like a brown, just a matte brown. That's the best way I can describe it. And I'm keeping that close to my lash line. The same colour, but with a pointed pencil brush. This is Morphe M138. Morphe, I keep calling it Morphe. And I'm just going to line the lashes. No, line close to the lash line. Okay, and again. He's made her cry. Okay, and then finally, that same brush that I just used, I'm going to get a matte black. I'm using the one from the Jaclyn Hill palette, but any matte black is fine. I just couldn't think of where I have another one. I know this palette has one. Probably have one in loads of places. And staying very close to the lash line. Do you guys see? And if you darken the lash line enough, you don't need eyeliner. And this is why this look is good for everyone, because you literally don't need eyeliner, because that's quite fiddly for a lot of people. And then I just get this brush and blend that out. And then the final touch would be this brush again, this pencil brush, into the dark one, that darkest mauve we used, and just line the bottom lashes. Mascara. And pump it. It really hurts. I go so close to my eyelashes that I can feel them pull in. My god, why do I do that? It really hurts, and like I don't feel like it's working unless my eyelashes are getting pulled the life out of. And mascara today, I'm gonna use, it's not Maybelline Colossal, ta-da! It's gonna be the Lancome Hypnose Drama. This way I think it should be. Hypnose? Hypnose. Like hypnotize, I think. Drama. For your mama. Okay, and I'm just gonna put mascara on. Okay. And then feel free to set your face with some setting spray. I am slipping. Okay. Not even in focus half the time, stupid thing. Okay, I'm gonna use This Rain by Hard Candy. Oh, I'm scared. I jumped a bit. Okay, and okay, and because this is a softer look, I'm gonna do lip gloss, no lip liner, because I'm only staying at home. I'm gonna get this off and go back to my PJs. Also, you could turn this into a nighttime look. Really quick trick. Put shimmer in the center, make it a halo look, put on foundation instead of just mineral powder, and fake lashes. So just 3 things and you can turn this into a nighttime look. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Put on a second coat because it's winter. Could always do with a second coat. And if you want Kardashian lips, don't forget to overline your Cupid's bow. And that's it. Ta-da! YouTube, make sure you pick this. Okay, now let's film the intro.
Grandmama channel.